How to fix your Uber cannot create accounts. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up the home page where you want to click on sign up. Then there are a couple of options. You can either continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or simply go ahead and enter your number. Once you go ahead and do so, you want to enter your first name, your last name, your email, and create a password. Once you simply go ahead and do so, it should go ahead and create your account. However, if it doesn't, then there are a couple of reasons why you're facing the problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and use a valid phone number or a email address. If your application is not up to date, simply go ahead and update it on time. And if you're using any kind of VPNs, make sure you turn it off. If none of it works, simply contact their support at help.uber.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.